Hi guys, welcome to my online class. My name is Shiveria and in this session we will learn about mathematical symbols. The first symbol that we will be studying about is the equal to symbol. Okay? If we want to illustrate that two numbers are equal, then we will use equal to sign. Okay? Let's look at an example. If we have 1 plus 1 equals to 2, as you can see here, the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. That's why we use this equal to symbol in between. Now the second symbol is not equal to. Okay? For example, 3 is not equal to 2. How will you draw the symbol? You will make an equal to symbol first and then you will put a diagonal line on top to illustrate this is a not equal to sign. Then the third symbol is greater than. For example, 205 is greater than 200. Now the fourth symbol is less than. For example, 3 is less than 10. Okay? Fifth symbol is greater than, equal to. So this is greater than, equal to. As you can see here, the top portion is the greater than symbol. Okay? And the line at the bottom illustrates that this is an equal to symbol. Now the sixth symbol is less than, equal to. So this is less than, equal to. Again, the top portion matches with the less than symbol and the bottom portion resembles the equal to sign. That's why this is less than and equal to. We will look at these two symbols in future examples. This may be the first time that you have come across these symbols and they are a bit confusing. Hence, I will explain two techniques to you in order to remember them, okay? Now you can see two creatures drawn here. This one, it shows mouth closed and this shows mouth open. If the mouth of the creature is closed, okay, as you can see here, then this is a greater than symbol. If the mouth of the creature is open, as you can see here, then this is the less than symbol. There is one more technique that you can use to remember it. This will mainly be helpful for those students who are familiar with Urdu, Persian, and Arabic languages. In all these languages, there is a letter called Dal. This is the letter Dal. Now this letter matches with the greater than symbol. Okay? But if you have an inverted Dal like this, then this is the lesser than symbol. Okay? Hence, you can either use this technique or this technique to remember the symbols. Now let's look at a few examples to translate all these English statements into mathematical forms. So the first thing that we can do is we can write the mathematical symbols here. When the mouth of the creature is closed, then it is a greater than symbol, right? When the mouth is open, then it's a less than symbol. When we have two lines, then it's equal to. Then when we have two lines with a line on top, then it is not equal to. So the first example that we have is 7 is less than 10. So as you can see, this is the less than symbol. Hence we will write here 7 is less than, and then we have 10. So we'll write here 10. Okay. The next example that we have is 85 is greater than 61. So what is the greater than symbol? This is the greater than symbol, right? So we'll write this here. So 85 is greater than, then we have 61. Okay. The third example that we have is 100 is not equal to 101. Now which one is the not equal to symbol? This one, right? So we will write 100 is not equal to 101. So this concludes the session for mathematical symbols. I hope you understood it. Thank you so much for watching.